All right, this is a good example of, fortunately, how sub does not listen to instructions. So for plumbing, we have two different sections in our bid packages. We have one for plumbing and one for sewer and water. So when I pull up the system, he says that he submitted it through the system, and the system consists of an email, putting your price in a PDF. So I'm not really sure why this is so challenging, but unfortunately it is. So we are going to go to bids. First thing we're going to go to is plumbing. And we want two things in here always. So we have a number, and we want to make sure that there's a proposal. So as you can see, there's no proposal. So we don't know what this $47,999 is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to PDF his email, because you might or might not be working on this in the future. And I am going to print it as a PDF so we can attach it. Just give me 1 second. This is going to be big. Desktop. Okay. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to go ahead and attach from my device and the bid that I just did, right? So now, if you're not working on this in the future, the person can see this is 47,990. And actually, this is for a duplex, which is what we do here when we're doing a duplex or 7 townhouses or whatever. The bids are built off of how much it is per one house, not in this case 2. So it's 47,990 divided by 2. So it's really 23,995. Now, if we write a contract with them in the future, we're going to go ahead and double this, but we want to break it down so we have a very clear understanding of what it costs per house. If you put it in as whatever 6, 7, 10 houses, the person who's analyzing this is going to have to go through each and every one of them and divide it and figure it out. So now we have the correct bid and pricing. So now we have let's just say again, I haven't looked at this ever. I know I have a bid for 23,995, and it pulls up very nicely and tells me exactly what I need. So then we're going to go to the next thing, and we are going to go to sewer and water. And we might combine these two. Excuse me. Oh, this job's closed out. I'm sorry. Let's put it in here anyway. There. This is not closed out. Anyway, so we are going to go down to the reason why. So this is kind of an anomaly, but the reason why MEP Partners didn't do this is because they typically don't bid water and sewer. And quite frankly, I don't really want to waste his time because we have a sewer and water proposal that's half the price it is. So for this example, I'm not even going to put it in here. It's a waste of his time. He typically doesn't even do it for a reasonable price. So as you see here, all the way at the bottom of the page, he says option sewer and water, $4,800. So I'm going to just leave that out for the example, but let's just say he was in these bid packages and for whatever reason didn't put it in here, then we would go ahead and put it in here for him. So that's how you update a bid package. We're constantly telling the subcontractors to work with us and try to put it in the system correctly. They're not always listening. And that's an ongoing challenge everywhere I've ever worked. It's very hard to get everybody on the same page, especially when they're different companies. But that's how you're going to fix this in the future. And let me know if you have any questions.